Hello dear students, I am Ranjita Naik from Government High School Lankahuda. I welcome you all to today's virtual class. Today we will discuss about the question pattern of your annual exam. And this question pattern is divided into two parts. One is your objective part and the second part is your subjective part. Today we will discuss the objective part, that is based on your prose, poetry, non-detailed study, grammar and language and vocabulary. Both of these parts carries equal 50 marks. So today we will discuss the objective part. Let's go to the smart board and discuss about the objective type question pattern. Okay, dear students, this is about our total question distribution of our annual examinations of your English. Okay, so objective part, which is carries 50 marks, and from prose you have 5 questions, that is your 5 marks. From poetry 2 questions, that is question number 2 and question number 3, which is carries 10 marks. And from non-detailed study it is also 2 questions, for question number 4 and question number 5, which is carries 10 marks. And second is your language and vocabulary, which is also 2 questions, question number 6 and question number 7, and it also carries 10 marks. Next, from grammar you have 2 questions, question number 8 and question number 9, which is carries also 10 marks. And from translation into English is 5 marks. So total is your 50 marks. So today we will discuss the objective type questions of prose, poetry, non-detailed and non-detailed. So today we have discussed about the objective type questions of prose, poetry and non-detailed study. Okay, so from your prose we have such type of questions. Question instruction is answer the following questions is in a word or in a phrase. तो मानू यही क्वेश्चन रो आंसर को गोटे वाक्य, खंड वाक्य किंबा गोटे शब्द माध्यम रे देबाको पड़िबो. So let's understand. Where did the writer go for lunch? Your question is where did the writer go for lunch? So you have to write the answer only in a phrase or in a word. So what is the answer? The answer is the writer went to a vegetarian restaurant. Answer is the writer went to a vegetarian restaurant. You have to write only vegetarian restaurant. Okay. Next question is what was the name of the famous channel coach? You have to write only the name of the channel coach, such as Stella Streeter. Next, what is important for bikers while driving? गाड़ी चलाइला समय रे बाइकर्स मानन को भाई कौन जरूरी, कौन दरकार? What is important for bikers while driving? That answer is your only helmet. Next, when was Dr. Kalam awarded with the Padma Bhushan award? Padma Bhushan. You have to write only the year in 1981. Okay. Next, what did Swami see in his father's nature? Strain of cruelty. Okay. So in this prose section you have to write only the phrase or words. So question number 2, answer the following questions is in a word or in a phrase. So first question is who came from all over the country? Answer is your 9 differently abled athletes. So second question, what did the spectators do around the old field? Only you have to write gathered. G-A-T-H-E-R-E-D. Gathered. Okay. Next, what did the athletes do when the pistol exploded? You have to write they started running. Fourth question, who is the monarch here? In this question you have to write only the name of the monarch. So who is the monarch here? Alexander Selkirk. In a single word, Alexander Selkirk. What are the divine qualities bestowed upon man? So answer is society, friendship and love. So these are the divine qualities bestowed upon man. So this is your question number 2. Question number 3 is also based on your poetry section. Okay, but in this question you have to fill in the blanks. You have some words in the bracket, or you have to put the correct word in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks with a word or a phrase from the given bracket. So in this bracket you have given some words, that is arose, charms, reduced, horrible, asphalt, Rome, despair. From these words you have to choose the correct word, correct answer and put in the blanks. Okay. So first, the 100-year dash was dash to a walk. You have to think and choose the correct answer. So here I do reduce. Okay, the answer is reduced. Second, the small participant fell to the dash. The small participant fell to the asphalt. Okay, next. Oh solitude, where are the dash that sages have seen in their face? So, oh solitude, where are the charms? The beast dash over the plain. The beast roam over the plain. Next. The tempest itself lags behind and the swift-winged dash of light. The tempest itself lags behind and the swift-winged arrows of light. So, this is question number 3, which is fill in the blanks. Next question is question number 4, which is based on your non-detailed study, and this question is based on same as prose and poetry, which is answer the following questions is in a word or in a phrase. Okay, let's see. How old was Ranju? Ranju was 13 years old. Okay, who was the intruder? Only you have to write the cat was the intruder. What things in the shops attracted the boy? You have to write the things which were attracted the boy. So the things are gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi and jalebi. Next question. Which job was Chelappa engaged in? Chelappa was a night watcher or watchman. Or you have to write only watchman. So Chelappa was engaged in watchman in the big house, which is on the hill. Who gave financial support for Amu's education? You have to write only the name of the person who gave financial support to Amu's education. Okay, so who was Mrs. Mohan? So this is about your non-detailed. So this is about your non-detailed questions. Next is your, this question also based on your non-detailed study. But in this questions there are some statements. You have to choose which is true or which is false, or you have to write T for true and F for false. Okay, so let's start. The image had been placed very far to the open window. It is false, so you have to write F. Okay, then the idol appeared to have grown in size in the dark. It is true. Gulab jamun was the boy's favorite sweet. False. Barfi was the boy's favorite sweet. Okay. The owner of the house had died 2 months ago. True. Then Mrs. Mohan thought to start a small school. True. You have to write only FT or anything. Next. So, dear students, we have discussed objective part, only 5 questions, which is your 25 marks. But there are more 25 marks which is based on your grammar, language and vocabulary and translation. So in our next class we have discussed the other parts, but today we have discussed the objective part which is based on your prose, poetry, non-detail. If you correct the answer, then you have to go through the books, because these objective type questions are from your text. So go through the text and read, work hard, so you have to do the answer correctly. Thank you. Have a nice day.